Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, how you doing? It's Jared here to Wide Open Camera. And for this quick take video, I got the brand new Schneider Optics True Match Vari ND fader filter. We're going to show you some of the features right now. All right, check it out. So here's the brand new Schneider Optics Vari ND fader filter. They claim that because the glass is matched glass, there is no color shift. And we've shot some exterior examples for you guys to check out. Currently, it only comes in a 77mm thread inside. And there's no exterior thread, which means no sunshade. This was meant to work with a matte box of some kind. There is a really nice light to dark indicator on the exterior ring, and we really like that. That's really useful for reference for either marks or just to dial something down, as you can see here when we shot directly into the sun at f/16. So check it out. It's a Schneider Optics True Match Vari ND fader filter. It's going to cost you around $450.